and Rice counties. At 8 p.m.
A confirmed tornado was located southwest of Hutchinson, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. You can expect a damaging tornado and golf ball-size hail. The tornado was confirmed by spotters. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Hutchinson, South Hutchinson, Sterling, Brewer, Haven, Nickerson, Britton, Partridge, Yoder, Willow. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for eastern Reno County, northwestern Sedgwick County, southwestern Harvey County, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:20 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located near South Hutchinson, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. At 8:20 p.m., several reports have been received of rotation near Haven. You can expect a damaging tornado and ping-pong ball-size hail. A tornado was reported by the public. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Hutchinson, South Hutchinson, Haven, Mount Hope, Andale, Bentley, and Yoder. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.